Well, today let's take a look at Bridgman's Complete Guide to Drawing from Life and how does it relate to animation. If you get this giant book, which is 350 pages at least, you'll learn how to draw the human figure so well. You just start at the beginning and start copying and reading his lessons, showing you how to do a basic character breakdown drawing. Here he goes into the proportions, 8 heads tall, some measurements. Then he gets into how the masses move on the human body. Then he gets into doing some poses and tilting the head, the shoulders, the pelvis, gives you dynamic poses. So I was thinking about how this relates to animation. And let's take my handy pad of paper here. So this figure here is just standing. I'm saying just standing. This figure here is standing, and it starts with a head like this, and then the neck, just a slight line over here for the shoulders. We're going to fit the face inside the head, basically, right? And torso, like this. The backbone comes here. Now the shoulders are straight across, but the pelvis is tilted. So all the weight is on the figure's right leg. And you just draw lines down like that. We simplify the pelvis to a triangle. Now there's not a lot of weight on the left leg. Here's the knee here. The left knee is below. And it goes over like that. So then to make the chest have some volume, it comes like this. And then we get into the muscles of the legs like here, thigh muscles. This left leg is back. You could shade that in like that. And then the arm comes out like this. Notice I'm drawing a lot of triangles here. So there's a rough drawing like that. So what are you doing with that? Well, let's take another sheet of paper, put it on top. And what we learn from that is that we can take what we learned from doing that drawing of Bridgman's and turn it into a character. We can lengthen the head. And you don't have to keep the same proportions, but you can turn it into a cartoon character. And that's what these drawing books are all about. Maybe you don't want them to have big shoulders. He's wearing a t-shirt, so sleeves here, up like that, sleeve down here, t-shirt hangs down a little bit like this, and he's got kind of baggy pants on. And maybe he's wearing sneakers. Put some shading there to show that his leg is back as he's in his pose, as it were. A little shading under his t-shirt there. Fake some hair on the top like this. So that's one thing you can do with learning anatomy from these drawing books I've been showing you. You turn it into your character. So give that a try with your stuff and keep drawing.